Hello friends! Today we're talking about a huge development in the defense world. The U.S. Army has just signed a record-breaking contract worth $9.8 billion with Lockheed Martin. And this contract is specifically for one of the most famous and reliable air defense systems in the world, the Patriot missile system. Now, you might be wondering, why is America spending such an enormous amount of money on missiles right now? What exactly is so special about these Patriot missiles, and what does this mean not just for the United States but also for global security? In the next few minutes I will break this entire story down for you in simple language. So let's start with the deal itself. This is the largest contract ever signed in the history of Lockheed Martin's Missiles and Fire Control Division. Under this agreement, Lockheed Martin will produce 1,970 PAC-3 MSE interceptors, along with launchers, support equipment, and spare parts. Deliveries will take place between 2024 and 2026. And this isn't just for the U.S. Army. Some of these missiles will also go to allied countries like Germany, Japan, South Korea, and others who also rely on the Patriot system. To put it simply, America isn't just buying these missiles for itself, it is also strengthening the defenses of its closest partners. This is why this deal is so massive in scale. Now the big question, what exactly makes the Patriot PAC-3 MSE interceptor so special? Unlike older missiles that use explosive warheads to destroy their targets, the PAC-3 uses a hit-to-kill technology. That means the interceptor collides directly with the incoming missile or aircraft at extremely high speed, destroying it by sheer force. This makes it extremely accurate. The PAC-3 can shoot down tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, drones, and even modern fighter aircraft. Some versions are even being prepared to counter hypersonic threats. Think of it as a bullet hitting another bullet in midair. That's how advanced this system is. Why is the U.S. investing in so many Patriot missiles at this moment? The answer lies in the current global security environment. Conflicts like the war in Ukraine, missile attacks in the Middle East, and rising tensions in East Asia have shown one clear fact. Modern wars involve massive use of drones and missiles. Air defense systems are being used more than ever before, and stockpiles are being depleted very quickly. For example, Ukraine has been using Patriot systems to defend against Russian missile barrages. Israel regularly uses them against regional threats. And with rising concerns about China's missile arsenal in the Pacific, the U.S. wants to make sure it and its allies don't run short in case of a prolonged conflict. In short, the demand for interceptors is much higher than the supply. This contract is America's way of making sure it doesn't fall behind. Another important angle here is the industrial and economic side. Lockheed Martin has been producing around 500 to 550 PAC-3 interceptors per year. But now, with this new contract and new investments, they are planning to increase production to 650 per year by 2027. This multi-year contract gives Lockheed the financial stability to hire more workers, expand factories, and invest in faster production lines. It also gives smaller suppliers in the supply chain a predictable flow of orders. So, it's not just about defense, it also creates jobs, strengthens the U.S. defense industry, and ensures that the country has the ability to scale up production during emergencies. Strategically, this contract has huge implications. First, it shows that the U.S. is preparing for long-term competition with adversaries like Russia and China. Second, it reassures allies that America will continue to supply them with critical air defense systems, even during times of crisis. Third, it strengthens deterrence. When enemies know that the U.S. and its allies have thousands of interceptors ready to shoot down their missiles, it makes them think twice before launching an attack. And finally, it signals that America is serious about maintaining technological superiority in missile defense, while also preparing for future threats like hypersonics. So to summarize, the U.S. Army has just awarded Lockheed Martin a $9.8 billion contract to produce nearly 2,000 Patriot PAC-3 MSE interceptors. This is the largest order of its kind ever, and it comes at a time when global demand for air defense systems is at record highs. The Patriot missile is one of the most advanced and reliable systems in the world, and this deal will not only protect America, but also its allies across Europe and Asia. At the end of the day, this is not just about buying missiles, it's about building security, strengthening deterrence, and preparing for an uncertain future. Friends, what do you think about this? Does this massive investment make the U.S. safer, or does it push the world closer to an arms race? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, if you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such explainers. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe.